So, singing and Hi everybody, I am Padmaja Pulugundla. I am born and brought up in Chennai and settled in Hyderabad. I am basically a veena and vocal artist. I have completed my Sangeeta Vidwan course in Adayar Government Music College and certificate in Pottisramno Telugu University. So I have a YouTube channel Padmaja Pulugundla in which I exhibit all my talents both in vocal and veena. So I think this much is enough, and I have participated in online singing competitions also and performed in different stages, temples, and I got prizes also. So thank you for staying till the last to listen to my singing. Let me start. Thank you KL for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you so much, Padmaja ji. Today I think I've seen all the